If you've ever created or worked with a really big project in GarageBand for Mac with multiple software instruments, effects and plugins, or create music on an older machine, chances are you will have experienced slowdowns, stutters, or even full-on crashes. Luckily, GarageBand for Mac has a built-in feature that can help reduce pressure on your system and keep your projects running smoothly. Hey, it's Patrick here from the GarageBand Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use GarageBand's track lock feature to freeze problem tracks in place and reduce pressure on your Mac's CPU. This means that when you play back your project, the instrument sounds and any effects or plugins you have applied to lock tracks are not rendered in real time. Instead, they're saved as is to your disk, where GarageBand can read and play them back with much less stress on your Mac. The first step here is accessing GarageBand's track header options. I need to right-click or control-click on any track in the project's track header and select Configure Track Header. In the menu that pops up, I can then click the checkbox next to the track lock option. A small lock icon now appears in all of my tracks' track headers. From here, I can select individual tracks to be locked by clicking the lock icon, or I can click and hold on a track's lock icon and drag down over other tracks I want to lock to. I can then hit play and GarageBand goes through the process of locking all of my selected tracks. Once a track is locked, I can no longer move, edit, delete, or do anything else with it. So if you're doing this, it's a good idea to make sure that the track you want to lock is mixed to the point where you're happy with it before going through the process. I can unlock any track by clicking again on the now green track lock icon. It'll change to a grey unlocked icon. And from here I can edit, move or add, remove plugins, things like that, as I would before locking it. Let me know if this is a feature you use or plan to use down in the comments, and give that like button a wee tickle while you're down there. I really appreciate it. If you've been seeing my videos pop up on your YouTube home screen but aren't subscribed to the channel yet, well, you know where that button is too. And if you want to discover some secret GarageBand controls, watch this video next.